Think if that compares. The whole area is absolutely just flattened as Gene is panning here to the left. You can see homes look like they've been shredded. There's piles of debris, no doubt from homes nowhere near here. They've got lights now. They're flooding this scene with light because the mission continues down here to try to find either any survivors or anyone else who may need help.
No recent word about any fatalities in the past hour or so, but you can see Oklahoma City Fire right here on the scene, Oklahoma City Police as well. And then, John, if you can see right there, the gentleman in the blue coveralls, that urban rescue.
I know she's going to be all right. God's going to keep her safe. If she's in there or wherever she's at, God's going to keep her safe and bring her home to me.
I just couldn't see anything, and it was just all loud, and I could barely hear stuff.
I no doubt that God and his teacher, I mean, they lifted a wall off of these kids, several kids.
Was there a wall on your son? Is he okay?
He's fine. He's got a little scratch on his leg.
Let's see.
Perfectly fine.
Kai, how scary was that?
It was just really scary.